Without wasting any time, let's start off with a review of Mi Band 5. It has a 1.1-inch color display, and if we compare the band to the Mi Band 4, we notice that the previous Band 4 has charging dock. Meanwhile, this has magnetic charging. It's a pretty cool feature, that I would say. See, this is so much better than the charging dock, right? Now, moving on to the features. Let's see, what do we have? This is the basic theme, and from here you can check out the status. Tap through. The next is heart rate monitor. So I noticed that it takes a long while to check out the heart rate. As compared to other bands, it is quite slow. I almost forgot to mention about the SpO2 monitor, that it was just a rumor and they don't really have it. You can clearly see how long it took just to check out the heart rate. I don't really like this. So moving on. It has details though. The next up is the notifications. You can check all notifications from right there. And here's the stress monitor. Let's check out whether I'm stressed or not or whatever. So let's go. Unfortunately, even their stress monitor is quite slow, which is obviously stressing because I like it fast. You should tell me within seconds, not take a few minutes. Anyway, you can just see it for yourself. It is slower than the heart rate monitor. You might consider that the measurement is done, but no, they are still measuring. Just wait for it. Keep on waiting and just forget about it. So here's the conclusion. Measuring stress was quite stressful. Now moving on to the breathing exercise. And we have this period cycle you can monitor, and we have weather. So yeah, that's for today and tomorrow and the next week. Under the category of workout, there are 11 activity modes. Meanwhile, the Mi Band 4 had only 6 activity modes. Here we have 11. Here we have personal activity intelligence, and here you can track out things. Next up is events. There are no events. Here we have some more features. We have alarm. For camera, you can use the band as a shutter. You can change music. We have timer and a lot more things. Especially, you can set up the brightness from your band directly. Next up is the band display. You can check out the previous video on how to set this up. So let's choose this one next. See, this is super cute and my most favorite one so far. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the video.